Hi, good morning. Nifty 50 opened today at 17,800 and even now it's trading around 17,800. So right now we will get an opportunity to trade as Nifty is above our 2, resistance 2. Let's see what exactly it will happen when we start to initiate a trade. In my watch list, I have two things in my watch list. One is 17,750 call option and 17,850 put option. $17,850 put option and 17,750 call option. So right now, anything above 115 call option, I will initiate a buy trade. Yes, now my trade is initiated. 115, I have initiated a buy trade. And my stop loss will be 10 points. And I'm looking for 12 points. 115 and 126, I will exit. I will be out of the trade. The reason why I initiated this trade is because 925 candle closed above R2. That is resistance 2. It has crossed the resistance. So that's the reason why I initiated the trade. And also in options, I could see very clearly it is trading above the VWAP. So that's the reason why I initiated this trade. Let's hope for a profitable trade after a long weekend. So 115 is my buy. Target of 127. Stop loss will be it's 105. Right now it is still at 17,800 levels. So I'm expecting a small movement of 25 points from 800 to 825 or 830. Now it's trading around 114. I have bought a call option 17,750 at 115. There is a strong support from both the exponential moving averages on 1 minute time frame. Just 20 points move, 20 points up move will end up in a profitable trade. Let's see what is the market mood today. Now it's trading around 112. I bought at 115. Just a 20-25 points move will help us in a profitable trade. It's trading well above resistance. So somewhere around 17,820, I have to exit. I will exit somewhere around 17,820. The first 15 minutes high and low are marked. 15,807 is the high, and 17,807 and 17,764. So almost 40 points. There are two emotions we have to control. One is the fear and the other one is the greed. So I did not have to worry about the fear and greed part. I have already fixed my target. So I am in control of both the emotions. Let's see what happens. A small movement of around 15 points is enough for me to be profitable. Yes, I think so. It should reach my target now. I mean, somewhere around 120. So another 7 points, I will be out of the trade. Hundred and 13, 114. So 120. Another 8 to 9 points. Another 8, 9 points. I think I should be out of the trade. In options, another 7 points, 7, 8 points. One simple reason which made me to initiate this trade is because the candle closed above resistance. That's the only reason why I initiated this trade. And also the trend is a very strong positive trend, very strong bull trend. I'm sure today it will tag 17,829, 830. So very easy 20 points move I can expect. Most of the segments are in green. Most of the segments are in green now. 17,815. It is touched 17,816, 17,816, 17,817. So 121, 121. It's trading at 121. Another 6 points. Another 6 points up move. I will be out of this trade. Please subscribe my channel. I mean your channel. Most of the trades will be updated. This is a live trade. Right now I am live. So 26, 27, 17,008, another 10 points move, I will be out of the trade. Another 10 points move, I am out of the trade. Now it's trading at 121. So another 6 points. Another 6 points, I am out of the trade. Another 4 points. That's it. If index touches 25, 26, one small up move, it will going to touch 122. Yes, 122, 123. So another 4 points. That's more than enough for me to be in green today. My demat will look green today. I'm sure about that. Just one small move. 124. It's 127. Another 3 points. That's it. I'll be done. Yes, 20. Another 5 points. Another 5 points. I think I should be done. To 22, 23, 24. That's it. Another 5 points. I should be done with my target. 126, 126, 126. Just 2 points. Just 2 points to reach my target. An easy achievement. It was so easy for me to achieve this. Now it's 126.45, 126.6. So 127, I will be out of the trade. I think so. I have to. Oh, this is coming back from this weekly resistance. There is a strong weekly resistance here. It came back to 122, 123. So 115 to 117. This is just 12 points. It was only just 12 points. Nothing to worry. See, in this kind of a situation, the fear factor will creep in and we will quit. But now I have no intention to come out of this unless otherwise it is closing red. Right now it is 122. So another 5 points I'm expecting it. It came till 126 and then it 126.80. It was still 126.80. So 127 was close target. So I think it is better to quit now. Just one moment. Let's see. Let's see the closing of this candle and then I will exit. 17,813 it's trading. Nifty is trading 17,808. It came down. So 122. So I think I have to exit at 125. Now let's see. Let me wait for some more time. I'm trading at 123, 121, 23. So I will be out of this trade at 125. Now it's 124. Now it's 124.30, 124. Let me wait for some more time. Let it touch 125 and then let me see. Now it's 125.50. So I will quit at 125. So it's better to quit at 125 because there is another red candle which is forming. So 125, I will exit out of this trade for just for 10 points. That's more than enough for me. I'm still in the trade. Put my target at 125. Put target at 125. Not at 127. Now it's at 122. So 125. I have taken. Oh, there are two candidates. 122, 123.45, 123.40, 124.55. I will not wait for my target of 127. So 125, I will exit the trade. So these type of small targets are more than enough. So 126, yes, I'm out of the trade. I am out of the trade. So my target is reached, and 125 was my target. 127 was my target, but I changed to 125. The reason why I changed my target, because there was a resistance that did not go above the resistance. Very clear resistance here. The weekly CPR, weekly resistance was there. So that's the reason why I quit the trade. And also we can see very clearly it's away from both the exponential moving averages. So thank you so much for participating in this live trade. Friends, I request you all to subscribe my channel. Thank you for participating in this live trade. Have a great day.